Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you all how to make the best, one of the best steaks. Here's what you're going to need. First thing that you will need is one ribeye. This is a bone-in ribeye, accent, garlic powder, parsley flakes, salt, pepper, butter, one crushed garlic clove, and a packet of Sazon. And as you can see, I've already seasoned this steak very well with these seasonings, okay? And the red tint that you see here is the Sazon packet. I've just sprinkled some on both sides. Now, the first thing that we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to make a butter compote. In this butter, I have 3 tablespoons of butter. Inside of this butter, I have dill weed, I have parsley flakes. We're going to put a little bit of salt. We're going to put a little bit of pepper. All right, we're going to put some garlic powder. All right, what we're going to do, we're going to just mash this up. And this here, you can use any spices that you want to season this with, okay? Any spices. You can put chives in here. All right, this is what we're going to do. When this steak is done, we're going to smear this. We're going to put a dollop on the top of this steak. And when it melts, those flavors, oh my goodness, those flavors will melt down into the steak. All right, this butter compote, done. All right, next thing we're going to do. I have a pan. I have a saute pan. We're going to turn this pan up on medium high. All right, we want to get it nice and hot. And what we'll need, we're going to use butter. All right, so we're going to put some butter in our pan here, not too much. Let's get this butter to sizzling and we'll be right back. Okay, this was about 1 tablespoon of butter. And what you want to do is you want to wait till that butter gets nice and sizzling, just like this. All right, you always want to make sure your butter's, let me wipe my stove down. Always want to make sure your butter is nice and bubbly this way. Now, go ahead and lay that ribeye in and watch it work. Don't touch it. Keep a good eye on it. You want to get a fork and make sure when you season your ribeye, you put a nice amount of salt in there, a nice amount of pepper, a nice amount of Sazon, the accent and garlic powder, and just a little bit of parsley. All right? This is very simple. Some people make it complicated when they make steaks, but I'm going to show you the fastest, easiest way to make the perfect ribeye. Now, what we're going to do with that crushed garlic clove, we're going to go ahead and throw that in there. And what's going to happen is this garlic clove is going to let off a lot. When I tell you a lot, it's going to let off a lot of garlic flavor into the butter. So we'll just let that sit in there for a few minutes and then we'll take it out after it's done its job. You don't want it to get too dark, okay? But just long enough to perfume our butter. Okay, you will be able to smell the garlic and you'll be able to see the color that the garlic has to indicate that it's time to take the garlic out. You can smell the perfume of this garlic all through the house. So we're done with the garlic. The garlic has done its job. All right, let's take a peek in at this beautiful ribeye. You want it to be nice and brown. Now, a good way that you can tell if your steak is well done, medium rare, this is a good technique. Give this technique a try. You will love it. If you hold your hand this way and squeeze it tight, that is a well done. If you loosen it up a little bit, that's medium well. Loosen it up a little bit more, that's medium. Okay, loosen it up a lot more, and that's medium rare. Okay, so if you try that, tighten your hand and keep loosening it, and you'll see exactly how you want your steak. Because what you do is you'll touch your steak and it'll feel just like your hand, just like the technique I just showed you. It's a really great technique. We're going to go ahead and turn this over. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what we want, guys. I'm going to go in with a knife and just cut right here where the fat is, because the reason why it curled up was because the fat tightened up and it made the steak curl. But if you just cut a little bit of that fat right there, it'll lay back down just like it did. Awesome. At this point, I'm going to put just a little bit more butter in. Just a little bit. Okay, about that much. Awesome. Be patient. When you make steaks, you want to cook it up on high heat always. And sometimes you'll get smoke. And as you can see, you'll see the smoke, but it's okay. That's part of making a steak and cooking it up on high heat. Just make sure you have your range. You have the fan on top of your range. Turn that fan up on high and you'll be just fine. But you always cook your steak up on medium high. Because if you don't, and you cook it at a lower temperature, your steak will be gray and it won't turn out right. Oh, this is beautiful. This steak's got a few more minutes and hey, we'll be ready to go. Beautiful. I'm going to fill it. Awesome, we're almost there. And we're there. This here, beautiful. Let me go over to the steak and fix my camera. Okay, everyone, I have the steak plated up. Let's go ahead and put this beautiful compote butter with all this seasoning right smack dead on top. Right there, guys. Ooh, and you can only imagine. Once this starts to melt, the flavor that you get, oh my goodness. Let me get a knife and we'll cut down into this. Oh, beautiful. All right, I have a little bit of A1 sauce. You have to have steak sauce on the side, right? You have to have steak sauce. Watch this, guys. Ooh, let's cut down into this bad boy. I'm going to show you one beautiful steak. Look at this, guys. Oh, perfect. Oh, beautiful. 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 If you all enjoyed this recipe, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. If you know someone that would like these recipes, give them my information. And as always, God bless. Have a great night, and thank you so much for watching. This ribeye is so good right now, guys. I seriously wish you could taste it right now.